At Immatics, we are developing immunotherapies for cancer patients. Our cell therapy approach, ACTengine, uses genetically engineered T cells to fight the disease. This concept is also called TCR-T. Let's take you on a patient's journey, including screening, manufacturing, treatment, and follow-up. Meet Tom. He's currently undergoing immunotherapy with checkpoint inhibitors to treat his melanoma, a very aggressive form of skin cancer. Tom talks with his doctor about a clinical trial being conducted with Immatics' cell therapy and discusses whether it fits with his personal treatment program. If it is an option, he is sent to a specialist who is an investigator in Immatics' trials and knows all about our ACTengine cell therapy approach. She explains all the details of the treatment, including the risks and benefits. The doctor checks Tom's health status and whether he meets all required medical criteria to be enrolled in one of Immatics' multiple ACTengine clinical trials. Afterwards, his blood is tested for a molecular marker called HLA, and if the test is positive, a small biopsy of his tumor is collected. The biopsy is analyzed to determine if one of Immatics' targets can be found on Tom's tumor. Those targets can be recognized by Immatics' engineered T cells. Immatics runs several clinical trials for different targets. When Tom's tumor is tested simultaneously for all these targets, it increases his chances to find the right fit. If the tests are positive, Tom can begin leukapheresis. This is a process where his white blood cells, including T cells, are isolated from the blood. Tom's white blood cells are safely sent to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, where the T cells are then separated from the sample for subsequent product manufacturing by Immatics' specialized personnel. Using strict quality standards, our team genetically engineers Tom's T cells to carry a novel T cell receptor that can specifically detect the cancer target on his tumor. These engineered cells are then multiplied to billions of cells. Afterwards, the final cell therapy product undergoes additional quality control testing by the Immatics team before it can be released for Tom's therapy. When Tom's T-cell therapy is ready, and he has completed his current treatment, he will be asked to return to his treating physician to begin a lymphodepleting chemotherapy. This pre-treatment aims to prepare Tom's body for the infusion of ACTengine T cells. By temporarily removing immune cells in Tom's blood, we aim to make room for the engineered T cells and help them to engraft and expand to numbers large enough to fight the tumor. Now, Tom is ready to receive his ACTengine cell therapy. He is given an infusion of the engineered T cells, which are designed to identify, target, and destroy cancer cells. His doctor closely follows Tom's treatment and potential side effects typical for cell therapies due to the strong activation of the immune system. These could include fever, cytokine release syndrome, and transient reduction of blood cells, among others. After the treatment is completed, Tom's doctor regularly monitors his progress to check its effect on the tumor. Immatics' targeted cell therapies are specifically manufactured for each patient. Not everyone's cancer will respond the same way. By combining the discovery of true targets for cancer immunotherapies with the development of the right T-cell receptors, Immatics is committed to delivering the power of T cells and to unlocking new avenues for patients like Tom in their fight against cancer.